I'll be there as soon as I finish this batch.
I have almost nothing. I can't go home.
It's okay, Max.
Tom, thank you. I made it. I'm here at the station. This is gonna be amazing.
All right, I'm here. See you soon.